I'm Sarah Demery, Assistant Aviation Director and Chief Operating Officer for the City of Phoenix Aviation Department. Have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes at Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport? Well, stick around. We're about to show you and introduce you to the team that keeps the airport operating 24/7.
The Airside team is responsible for multiple duties on the airfield. Our critical one is making sure the airport is compliant with 139 regulations with the FAA. So you're looking at markings, you're looking at lighting, you're looking at signs, making sure everything is consistent with the FAA regulations. But we also have to deal with security issues, safety issues, and customer service on the airfield. Though we don't deal with the general public, we deal with our airline partners as the airlines or anybody that's badged at the airport. We still provide customer service because those are our customers. Some of the responses that we'll do is we'll go to aircraft alerts, to respond to security alerts. I mean, even though we do the same thing every day, every little thing that happens, there's something new to it. It's always a learning experience. A good day at work is just having a nice, smooth operation, flights leaving on time, no issues on the airfield, no storms, great weather, and having a good day for everybody, including our passengers that are flying in and out.
On a daily basis, our briefings start about 6:30 in the morning. We come in, we get all the information that's been passed on from the overnight shift. We try to keep traffic moving, it's traffic control. We get out there, we try to keep the traffic moving, keep the passengers going, keep the inbound traffic coming, get the outbound traffic moving. But our main thing other than that is customer service. We help navigate passengers through the terminals, through Landside, and we understand if you're not used to driving in the airport, there's a lot of signage, there's a lot of directives, and it could be overwhelming for some people who are not used to driving in the airport. So we try to help people get through. If you're really confused, we even have units that will escort you to where you need to go. We're at Terminal 4 and 3. We're on the north and the south ends. We patrol the 44th Street SkyTrain station, the 24th Street. It's kind of gratifying when somebody's lost, you reconnect them with their person that's picking them up, and it's always interesting and it's kind of fun.
The Ground Transportation Office is responsible for the credentialing and permitting of all our ground transportation vehicles, commercial vehicles as TNCs and taxis, and we oversee the Lost and Found program for items that are lost on the airport campus, with the exception of those lost in or with TSA. Our typical day, we see anywhere from 5 to 150 units of property lost items that get received, verified, logged in, and returned to owners. Then we go through a credentialing process where we can see upwards of 200 to 300 different drivers. We issue more than 3,500 commercial permits to vehicles. We have approximately 400 commercial IDs that we issue annually. The ground transportation field staff manages all of our commercial pickup areas, the locations at the curbs that our customers use when they come and exit, to get access back to their vehicles at our parking areas, specific parking lots, as well as the rental car facilities. No single day is ever the same. It's always changing. You learn every day here. The environment is so diverse and you get immersed in it extremely quick.
Terminal operations really has 4 main components to it. The first being overseeing operations within the terminal buildings. This includes everything from baggage claim to the ticket counters to the security checkpoints. Our staff will respond to any emergencies or irregular operations. They'll work with the airlines and the different vendors and stakeholders as well as the TSA to make sure their operation is running as efficient as possible. We monitor the checkpoint wait times continuously, and if one of the checkpoints starts to back up, we'll work with the TSA to move passengers from one checkpoint to the other to balance out the loads, whatever we can do, just to get people through as quick as possible. The next area of focus for us is common use. Terminal operations oversees Sky Harbor's common use program as well as infrastructure. This includes everything from common use gates to ticket counters, basically anything in Terminal 3 as well as international. That's common use space. The third component for terminal operations is international. We are the liaison to Customs and Border Protection. We work with CBP, we monitor their operations, we provide any assistance they may need with crowd control measurements or anything like that. The final measurement is customer service. Our goal in terminal operations is to provide excellent customer service. You know, we want to be there to help out the traveling public, but as well as our internal partners. There are airlines, stakeholders, vendors. You know, we're here to assist. If you need any help within the terminal building, anything's going on, or anything's not running the way it's supposed to be, please give us a call. We're here to help and we'll respond and do whatever we can to help you get through whatever's going on.
I'm Mike O'Shaughnessy, the Deputy Aviation Director over Operations at Sky Harbor. Thanks for spending some time with us today. Whether you're on the roadways or the runways or in the terminal, we're here to keep you safe and secure. Thanks for visiting America's friendliest airport.